I'm back. So this was hard to get off on this Variator. We'll pick up kind of where we left off. I got the other Variator on, and I was like, well, let's see what we can do here. So basically what I did to get it off was, if you just take your screwdriver and kind of go around and pry up a little bit at a time, it'll take a little while, but it'll eventually come off, and then you can see all the grease, and you want to remove all that grease because it's not necessary. And then there's the Variator weights, and actually this isn't too terrible on the amount of grease, but I've seen worse. So just to give you an idea, and then like I said, if you don't have replacement rollers, just take out every other one. So take out 3, and that should help a lot with your acceleration, and it won't hurt your top speed. If you go too light on the Variators, it will hurt your, or on the rollers, sorry. It will hurt your top speed because the Variator has to overcome the clutch in the back, the rear pulley, and it's got its mass is a factor in being able to do that. Unless you've got a kit on it and can spin that thing up to super high RPMs, that's a different story. Hey, just thought you'd like to see.